All right, so once you have your health planner in your GoodNotes, this is how you navigate it. You can just swipe left to see the yearly overview, the important dates, and quarterly goals. It's kind of like the year or the quarter worksheets. And then you'll get to the month. But if we go back to the very beginning, you can just click on January on the left tab here, and that'll take you to January. Then when you're in January, you can click on the days to get to that day. So anytime you want to navigate to any day of the week, just go back to the month and then hit the day that you want to go to. And then also on the side, you can click on the weeks. So this will take you to week 1. And then if you swipe left, you'll see the other worksheets that go with that week, which is meal planner, shopping list, nutrition tracker, and fitness tracker. And then you'll be to your days again. And you can just swipe through to the days, or you can go back to the January tab and click on the day that you want to go to. And then we go to February. If you click to the left, swipe left, you'll see the 30-day challenge, the monthly plan, and then you'll get to your dailies again, and then your weekly. So that's how you navigate that. And yeah, just when you get to the month, like January as well, swipe left and you'll see the month worksheets. So this is a 30-day challenge worksheet and your monthly plan. So you can use those worksheets there.